Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. Today we're making this delightful banana split, perfect for the summertime. Alright, let's get started. You're gonna need your favorite ice cream or ice creams. That's multiple ice creams. Grab your banana and we're gonna split it in half. We'll first take the peel off. Now grab your sharp knife and slice it in half. Make sure to be careful. I have this cute little tray that my mom got me. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on here. I said multiple ice creams earlier because we're gonna need 3 scoops of ice cream. Today I only have Millennium Crunch, so that's what I'm gonna use. Get your 3 scoops. Next we're gonna add this pineapple topping all over it. If you don't like pineapple, then just don't add. We're also gonna add some chocolate fudge. Add as much as you want, but acuérdate, cuídate de diabetes. We're gonna add pieces of almonds on top, but I only have these, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up. Chop, 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 chop it up. Alright, be patient. We're doing this together. Add a swirl of Ready Rip on top of each ice cream scoop. And a little more here. And a little more over here. And sprinkle the almonds on top. Alright, this looks delicious, but it's missing something. Oh yeah, the cherries on top. Go ahead and add a cherry on top of each scoop. Y 3. Ooh, looks so good. A ver, ¿de dónde le comenzamos? Alright, it's taste test time. It's taste test time. That's good. So what do you guys think? Have y'all subscribed already? Make sure to leave it in the comments. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!